name is Om Mahesh Tungadkar. I am a third year ENTC student who I am a fresher. So I wanted to do something technical or something for the corporate world. So I tried searching many things on the Google. So what should I do? Non-technical, some jobs. I came across data analytics, which I found very interesting. So I found various courses in Pune to near me or everywhere that are there some good classes there. So I came across eduplusnow, which is a perfect background for any student who can learn everything. So I came across Dhanashri ma'am, who was a good mentor for me, who guided me to what should I do in future, how can I excel myself in data analytics. The staff here is very cooperative. They make us understand everything that we need. So various topics were covered in this data analytics, from which SQL and everything was new for me, as I had a core background. So Excel was taught, Python was made. For me, coding is a very hard topic. So after coming here, I was made sure that I am learning everything properly. Well, EduPlusNow is a great learning platform for everyone. I will suggest everyone to join this EduPlusNow platform. I thank everyone here for guiding me and supporting me for my other corporate world.